Guys, we're gonna do some egg rolls on my Ninja Foodi Grill coming up. This is Cooking with CJ, the show about cooking, drinking, barbecue, and all the other stuff that goes along with it. I am not a chef, I am not a bartender, I am not a pit master, but I play all three on TV. I'm gonna show you how to make quick, easy, tasty recipes and have a little bit of fun along the way. So let's get this party started. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ, and if you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's crew, you know I love you. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, that little bell next to it, so you get alerts on all what we're doing here. So you ask yourself, CJ, what are you doing here today? Well, I'm gonna tell you, we're gonna make some air fried egg rolls today. Really simple dish. We're gonna make the filling first, and then I'm gonna show you how we wrap egg rolls, and then we're gonna get them in the Ninja Foodi Grill, and then we're gonna air fry them. So really simple. Don't put too much thought into it. People get a little freaked out when they're folding up the egg rolls. It's really easy. Don't stress about it. Couple folds, a little roll, you're good to go. Okay. Wish there was more to this one, but there isn't. Let's get over to the. Actually, we're going to the stove first. We're gonna make that filling, and then we'll be back on the Ninja Foodi Grill station. All right, come on back. Okay, guys, we're over on the stove right now. We're using my tried and true egg roll filling. Got a little sesame oil, premium sesame oil. We're gonna start off with some red onions. All right, we're gonna put, I don't know, that much in there, about half a cup. Let this saute, get a little fragrance, get a little color on it, and then we'll start adding up the other items. Next up, we're gonna put a good tablespoon of garlic in there, minced garlic. We're going high heat, we're going fast, so make sure you have all your ingredients ready to go. You're gonna get that browned up. We don't wanna burn it. Get its quick saute on it, and then we'll add our sausage in there. All right, we got some just plain old breakfast sausage. Squeeze it in, get that work together. All right, guys, I'm gonna season it with a little Uncle Steve shake, smoke bomb. Just about a teaspoon in there. Plenty of heat in there, little smokiness, little pepper. It's gonna go well with this for sure. I'll put a link down below for Uncle Steve shake, and you can get some of your own. Stuff's really, really good. Okay, time to add the veggies in there. We got the coleslaw mix, green cabbage, red cabbage, and little carrots in there. I'm gonna do about a cup worth. We got some bean sprouts. We're gonna do another cup worth or so in there. Just get that all sauteed together. Add a couple of pinches of kosher salt. Not too much salt because we're gonna add some soy sauce to this. Dude, that's some good color right there. And guys, I'm using sausage in here, but I've done it with shrimp. Hell, I've even done it with smoked brisket. It's a good mix, okay? We're not gonna cook this so much that we cook out the texture of the bean sprouts and the cabbage. But it's looking pretty good right there. Couple more seconds, then we're gonna take it off the fire, let it cool down. Okay, all done. Turn off the fire. I'm gonna let it cool down in another bowl, and we're ready to make our egg rolls. All right, guys, we are on the Ninja Foodi Grill station. Our mixture's cooled off a little bit, but I'm impatient, so I'm gonna show you how we make a couple egg rolls. I always keep a wet towel over the top of them, just so they don't dry out. Don't mind that clicking in the background. Miss CJ's working on Saturday. That's how she rolls. All right, so we're gonna put a bit of our mixture right there, fold it over on itself, keep it tight, fold those edges in, and then continue rolling. Get to the end right here. We got some egg wash right here. Just egg wash the end. All right, you got yourself a perfect little egg roll. Do one more, we'll get them in the air fryer. I don't preheat the air fryer first because it'll heat up before I'm actually done rolling all of these. All right, so we're folding in the sides. All right. Listen to some typing in the background.
Sorry.
It's all right. Just shows how dedicated hard worker you are.
I'm trying to type lately.
All right. Okay, let me finish these up. We'll make about, I don't know, 9 of them, and we'll get them air frying. All right, team, let's get this thing going. We're turning it on. We are going to air crisp. We're gonna use 390, it's defaulted. The timing's 20 minutes, defaulted again. We're gonna hit start, we're gonna let it preheat. I'm gonna check these every 5 minutes. More than likely, I'll give them a turn you know, every 5 minutes or so. We're gonna spray them with a little avocado oil. Right now inside, I have one of the dehydrating racks because I don't have the roaster rack. You do not need the roaster rack. You could actually just put this in the pan. You can even use the grill grate and just put it on there if you want. No big deal, okay? Once it's preheated, we'll get them in there and get them going. Preheating is done. So you can see I have the dehydrating rack in there. Again, you can use whatever you want. I'm gonna put those in, give them a little bit of space in between them. Put the seam side down. So I'm gonna twist that run over. Okay, give it a good spray of avocado oil. Make sure they're nice and covered. All right, shut it down. 5 minutes, we'll check it. Okay, we're about 5 minutes in. I'm gonna go ahead and turn these over a little bit. Let's get the heat coming from a different direction. All right, we'll shut it down, get another 5 minutes, and we get to go. Okay, we're about 9 minutes in. I'm gonna give these another little mix up. Again, you don't have to do this, and I think we only need a couple more minutes. I'm feeling like these are looking pretty good. Got plenty of good color on there. Again, a couple minutes, and we should be ready to eat. All right, team, we are 13 minutes in. I think we're good. Golden brown, delicious, lovely, steamy hot. All right, I'm gonna get these out onto the cutting board, take the picture, we'll cut them up, check them out, take a bite, you know the drill. All right, guys, let's listen for the crunch. Well, a little crunch with a little plate. All right, look at that. Oh, this knife you're asking about right here? This is the new Dalstrong Frostfire series. Absolutely gorgeous, love it. All right, so link down below if you wanna get yourself one. All right, let's try it. Know about that right there. Look at that goodness. What? Look at that eggy roll. It's looking good right there. All right, let's try a bite. It's burning hot, but again, you know, I do it because I love you. So. That's pretty damn good right there. You know, I forgot to mention, ingredients will be down below. All right, I'll put the prep too, real easy to do. This is a winner right here. And you could probably even, you know, I let it go like 12, 13 minutes in between there. I think I pulled it like 7.5. But guys, I think a little bit longer, you know, just a skosh, maybe like a minute, get a little bit more crispy, even though it's very crispy. You guys heard that crispiness, but you know, I really like it crispy, you know, so another minute probably would have done it right. But this is outstanding. Very tasty. The filling's very tasty. If you dig shrimp, I would add a little shrimp to this, you know, dice it up, put it in the mix. It just, you know, changes the flavor game. It's really freaking good. All right. Unfortunately, not a lot of seafood eaters in the house, so I keep the shrimp out of it, but very, very good. Okay. If you guys want to get yourself a Ninja Foodi Grill, you know, the link's down below. Knives, cutting board, that new Frostfire series from Dalstrong, that white blade. Oh, it's so freaking cool. Wow. I actually paid for those on my own. You know, Dalstrong is a sponsor. I'm an affiliate for them, but I wanted to get these. I didn't want to wait for them. They didn't want to ask for them. I just went and got them. They are smooth like silk. They look so good. Great balance, comfort, very cool. All right, guys. If you want to become part of CJ's crew for real, like my guy James from Saint 1000, like my guy Boyd did, and Boyd hit that top tier, so he's getting some CJ's merch sent out to him. Boyd, if you're watching, hit me up with your address. Emails up in the about section down below. Guys, this is a very good opportunity to help out the channel, get mentioned, get a spot at the credits at the end of the video. Guys, every little bit helps, and I appreciate you being part of the community. Last thing, if you haven't already, I did set up our website, cookingwithcj.com. So if you want to go over there, register. We're slowly building it. We're working on an e-cookbook for the Foodi Grill. We got some things going on, so you want to be a part of it, okay? Listen, I hope y'all have a wonderful, wonderful week. Thank you for stopping by, and thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.